you think that it's boring how people talk? Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored. Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know they'll never own me. It looks alright in the pictures. Getting caught out for the trip though, isn't it? I fall apart with all my heart. That you could watch from your window.
Lalimin mo siya.
I wanna try. Girl, ang 15.
Ibuka mo siya. Dahan-dahan pa. Sige pa, ibuka. Malaswang pakinggan pag Tagalog. Yun na lang. Wet your hands. Wet your hands.
Adi, pasok mo.
Yes, lang kita. Relax your hands, please. Slow and gentle. We have to get the clay from the bottom until the top.
Slow and gentle.
Slow and gentle, sir. Huwag mong diinan. Slide mo lang po pakyat para po makagawa ng cylinder. One more time. Ito, ipasok nyo. Yan.
Okay.
Ipasok mo daw.
Slide your hands up one more time po. One more time. Feel the clay. The turn of the wheel. Slide your hands until the tip of the clay.
Ay, sarap pala.
Oh.
Lalaki ang bag.
Ikap mo.
Ay, takot mo tayo.
Ganon, sir. Slide your hands up. Slow and gentle. Slowly naman.
Okay.
Hindi hagod ng hagod. Just slowly. All the way to the
Die, and don't die. Okay, that's not a knot.
hold. Release, ganon. Okay, listen. Ito ang basic shape. Ang beginner shape ko, mangkok, bowl. To make a bowl, you push it from your left, dito po, sa loob. Clip mo yung thumb. Ito ang mag-push, hindi yung dulo ng mga daliri. From the bottom, slow and gentle, push out. And then slowly go up. Maintain
Okay.
your pressure, slow speed, para makagawa ng mangkok. Walang pressure sa kanan. Outward, slowly po. And then up.
Anong ginawa?
Akyat.
Paakyat.
Push.
Tulak paakyat, sir.
Pasaka! Bisaya!
Sandali lang. Ano ba itong ginagawa?
Station.
Ganito, sir, ha? Dito sa baba, tulak mo palabas, slow and gentle.
Ayun.
Walang pressure sa kanan
Okay.
para hindi niya kontrahin. And then
Okay.
slowly go up. Maintain your pressure, maintain your speed. All the way to the top. Hold. Release your hands. Okay. Sige, ikaw lang mag-isa. Palawakin mo para magkasya ang bulalo. Wet your hands first.
Eh, bulalo.
Yan. Okay, go.
Yip.
Slow and gentle po. Slowly.
Support lang. Outside support.
Opo, walang pressure.
Inside. Pressure. Outside
Ayan,
support.
ayan. Hanggang sa taas.
Outside support. Pressure inside. Right?
Wet your
Good.
hands.
Good job.
Good job yun. Oh, hindi pa
Ay, good job.
Thank you so much,
Ha?
sir.
Marunong na siya gumawa.
Ayan.
Okay, you're welcome to look around. Check
Ay,
our
video
finished
ko.
products down below.
Ayan na.
And
Ayan
try
na,
our
so
own
gusto
wheat
niyo
and
punta kayo
homemade
dito.
bread
Ay,
galing
gusto
sa
niyo
Dole
mari mo
Organic
dire
Cafe.
tapos maghimuman. Gusto niyo ano niya kung saan. Okay guys.
Ay, very
pictures. Getting caught out for the trip though, isn't it? I fall apart with all my heart. And you can watch from your window.